If you are the kind of person that you always receive attacks in the dream, they always attack you in your dream, and they always overpower you in your dream. Maybe they used to come and beat you when you are sleeping.
I have the gift of seeing. That's why people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern.
If you are the kind of person that you always receive attacks in the dream, like anytime you sleep, you will see that they always attack you in your dream, and they always overpower you in the dream. Maybe they used to come and beat you when you are sleeping, or they used to come and breathe food for you in the dream, or maybe you are sleeping, they will come and you will see in the dream you always spend money in the dream. Okay, they always overpower you in the dream. So this video is for you. I'm going to teach you what you are going to do, and you are going to put it under your pillow, and no demon, no witch will be able to overpower you in the dream again. They will not. Anyone that will be able to overpower you will not see you spiritually. But the ones you will be able to overpower, you will see them and you will rekeke them. Give them better knock for their head. Who they Zuzu? This is the seer. I was born with the gift of seer. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. So here we go. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, share, subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important video from me. There are some of you, right? You have to understand the spiritual control the physical, and sometimes you see every week, every month, or every day, depending on the nature depending on the nature of your business or your work, you'll notice that you must spend money in the dream, or they'll come and collect money from you in the dream, or somebody is coming to have sex with you in the dream, which is different from spiritual sports. If it is a spiritual sport, or coming to have sex with you in the dream, or maybe a witch is coming to have sex with you in the dream, and the purpose of them coming to have sex with you in the dream is just to like weakening you spiritually. And if you have sex in a dream, if there's anything good that is coming for you that period, that it will not come again. If somebody promises you something and you have sex in the dream, there must be disappointment. I'm telling you. So what you are going to do, if you already have sex in the dream, as you know that you are expecting something, or they gave you food to eat in the dream, and you know that you are expecting something, now this is the first thing you are going to do. Let me teach you how to neutralize whatever they have done so far. Then I'll teach you how you are going to, this one you are going to do and put under your pillow, so that they will not be able to like do anything to you again. Now if you have ever eaten in a dream and you have not washed your mouth, this is what you do. Put water in a plate, add salt to that water, add palm oil to that water. Okay, then you pray on the water early in the morning before you drink or eat anything, between 6-7. You pray on the water, whatever it is that they have given me to eat in the dream, or anything at all I have eaten in the dream, or whatever I have said that the enemy have taken that they are using against me. I wash my mouth. I did not say it again. I did not eat or drink that food or that water again. You sip from the water. You need to goggle your mouth, throw it away. Sip from the water. You need to goggle your mouth, throw it away. You repeat this, putting in your mouth, goggling and throw it away 4 times. Then the remaining water on the plate, you turn the plate at the water upside down, let the plate face the ground completely. Then after the water have poured, you take your plate. Then if you have sense in the dream, in the night before you sleep, when you know that you are not going to do anything related with water again, you are not going to bath again, put palm oil on a spoon, add salt to that palm oil, add salt to that palm oil. Then you use your middle finger. This is your middle finger, right? You turn the palm oil and salt together. Then you put it on the oil. Anything that, whatever the enemy have done, this sex I had in the dream to weaken my spirit or to destroy anything in my life, this is what I used to neutralize it. That sex did not happen again. I neutralize the sex I have in the dream. Whatever the sex I had in the dream supposed to cause to me, I neutralize it. Then you pour that palm oil on the ground. Okay, then from the ground, the same middle finger touch the one you pour on the ground. Then place it on your forehead here. Then touch the one you pour on the ground again. Then place it on your chest, the middle of your chest. Okay, then touch the one you place on the ground again. Then place it on your back here. This is how to neutralize it. Now you get white pieces of cloth. Now this is how to prevent all those nonsense from happening. Get white pieces of cloth. After I've gotten white pieces of cloth, right, get 7 bitter kola. 7 bitter kola, put on top of the white cloth. Get 1 bunch of alligator pepper, put it on top of that white cloth. Get charcoal. You know this charcoal now. If you burn firewood, what you used to get charcoal. Get charcoal, put it on top of put it there. Then get native chalk. They must not be big so that the thing might be small. Get native chalk, put it there. All those items I mentioned now, use that white cloth, cover them, then use white thread to tie everything together. After you have tied everything together, put it under your pillow anytime. Before you sleep in the night, pray on it to put under your pillow. Then the next day again, pray on it to put under your pillow. Then even if you do not remember to pray on it again, go to sleep. You will notice that if they should come and try you in the dream, you always overpower them. You will overpower them. They will be wondering, if they should come and collect money from you in the dream, they will come. They will not succeed. You see you fighting them. I'm not giving you the money. What you want to use the money for? Are you asking me for money? Or maybe they used to come and have sex with you in the dream. You cannot resist this. Once you do this, you notice that if they come, you ask them, what's it? I don't know, get out. You will fight them. You can even push the person away. So this is how this one will work. Put it under your pillow, and you will notice that you will be able to destroy your enemy. And if you want to empower your spirit to fight spiritually, you are going to get a knife. Even if it's that small knife, get small knife. They tie the nyash. Which English I speak? Tie the hand, the grip of that knife. Okay, tie it white with a red cloth, small red cloth. Then pray on it. Put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. As you chew it, you blow it on it. Then you pray, you blow the spirit on it again. Pray, you blow the spirit on it. Say, this is what I do to empower my spirit. Then anytime you want to sleep, or just leave it under your pillow. Let it just be there. Anytime you notice that they are trying to come and fight you in the dream, you see yourself with weapons. You see some ancient people, depending on how you pray on it, like your ancestors, you see them on white at your back, fight, war. If they are ready, most time you see that they will run back, or they will not even show up. You see that you are prepared for war, but the war did not happen again. They will run for their life. If you think so far I've given you what nobody is giving you, don't just watch and go. Like, share, subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important video from me. Your happiness is my concern. You have to understand that spiritual control is physical. And those things I'm teaching you, those are the things that many spiritualists will not want you to know. And it's not everybody that have the knowledge. If you notice very well, you notice that my things are not of man. It's not what is random on the YouTube channel. Most times, spirits are the ones teaching me, not human. See you guys in the next video. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Bye for now.